Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these cute reindeer candy canes. I make these every year for my kids to take to school for their class. If you want to see how to make some for yourself, then please stay tuned. Grab you some candy canes, red pom-poms, googly eyes. I purchased 2 packs of each. It depends on how many kids you are going to be making this for. Pipe cleaner, I only could find white or green, but you could use brown or red. Glue gun, glue sticks, scissors, double-sided tape, and I'm going to be using 2 different kinds of candy canes. So first you're going to open your candy canes and take out how many you're going to need. I put mine in this vase. I pre-cut pipe cleaner and put some pom-poms and googly eyes in this candle lid. You're going to take your candy cane and wrap the pipe cleaner around the top of the candy cane. You can make your pipe cleaner longer if you like. I am making these for a younger age group, so I kept mine short. You are going to twist the pipe cleaner tight. Be careful not to break your candy cane, and then you can shape your antlers in your preferred shape. I'm going to be using a small piece of double-sided tape to adhere the eyes. You can use a glue gun if you do not have double-sided tape. I'm going to be placing the eyes side by side on the front of the candy cane, and I will be using the tape for the nose as well. You can use bells as your reindeer nose if you like. I didn't do it this time because, like I said before, I am making this for a smaller age group, and I just thought that might cause a distraction. I'm going to start an assembly line and start putting the pipe cleaner around the candy canes, and then I will do the eyes and then the nose. Okay guys, so right here I'm going to take out all the candy canes that did break and replace them with new ones. Make sure you grab a couple of more boxes of candy canes because you will have some candy canes that are going to be already broken in the box, and you are bound to break some candy canes in the process of making these cute little guys. So just make sure you grab some extra candy canes, okay? Trust me. Now the ones that did break, I'm just going to add those to our little cocoa bar. All right, you guys, the reindeers are complete, simple and easy, and so much fun. I hope you guys try out this DIY for your kiddos. And thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a big like on your way out. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and join the fam. I would love to have you here. And please make sure your post notification bell is turned on so you won't miss out on another video from me. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye.